Oh man, what a day. Alright, I just got home. I opened the box and it looks like we have the FT450, the harness for the Grom, and the free wideband that they were giving out during the July 4th holiday, along with like a key tag and an actual emblem. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and go through this. We're gonna open it up, make sure everything looks right, and then we're really just gonna go plug it into the bike. The bike's outside, pretty much ready for me to finish up. So I'm just gonna make sure everything's good here. We'll load the config on to the Fueltech, because I emailed them earlier today knowing that this was going to be here. I emailed them earlier today and I basically got a base map within an hour. So I'm going to say everything's good. We're going to go from there. So far, I like the level of support because it was actually pretty quick. Haltech's pretty quick too, but normally they take a little bit longer. I don't know. It's just, that's the way it is right now. It's fine. Haltech's been good to me, and so far Fueltech has been too. We'll see if we have any issues, and we'll go from there. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and get this all unboxed, and I'll lay it all out for you guys. It's actually not too bad. Okay, we have product stuff. We have stickers, lots of stickers. Okay. Owner's manual for the actual product itself and what everything does. So I will be reading that definitely. And then we have the FT450. So let's move some of this powder coat out of the way. So we have this. We have what seems to be, oh, this is the map line, like that airline for the back of the 450, because it has them. Okay, and USB. So USB, I need that. And then we'll go ahead and take this all apart. It comes with a bracket, which is pretty cool, because this is probably going to be needed on the bike. Since we're going on the Grom, let's see if we can find a way to do it, along with, looks like, tools and all the rest of the hardware. So that's really nice, not too shabby. I like it. So I didn't get anything special. Like I said, I just ordered the 450 and the wiring harness. The wideband came for free, but it doesn't have the cable in it. So what I had to do is, I ordered all this like a week or two ago. Like a week ago. Yeah, a week ago. Ordered all a week ago. Everything's good. Comes in. Great. I then realized that, oh, I didn't order the cable with it. So as of Monday, I think it was Monday is when I ordered it. Monday, I ordered the cable for the wideband, which is in here, so you guys can see. We have the manual, more manuals, sticker, and template, so that you can drill in and cut out the different areas so that you can mount the widebands. So let's go ahead and put this back over here. And this is the wideband. It's not too bad. The reason I didn't order a sensor, I only ordered the wiring, is because I have a wideband on the bike already, because I have a DynoJet Power Vision right now. It does everything great. Like, I can tune that bike perfect, but the only thing I didn't like about it is I can't raise my RPM on that. The head I have on the bike is completely built. It's dual spring, like the whole nine, high lift cam, high lift valves, like the whole nine. So the manufacturer says, that's where I got Yamanashi springs. The whole head's basically Yamanashi. The manufacturer says that the springs will handle 14,000 RPM. So I can't go above like 10 on the stock ECU, it just won't let me. I've tried flashing it with the computer by itself, and then I've also tried it with PowerVision. I just can't get past that one point. It's somewhere in there that they haven't unlocked yet, but regardless, never mind. We're going with standalone, and I think this is going to work out great because I'll have this rigged up to be on the handlebars of some sort. With this template, I'll see if I can work something. We'll open this up, and we'll go ahead and get the wiring done too. We'll open the wiring up and we'll get this all organized. We'll get this running good. So I'll be back in a second after everything's all laid out. All right, now I got everything laid out. We have the 450, Fueltech 450, the Grom harness. That's the ECU side. And this is the Fueltech side. So it still comes with this wire, which I'll read some more up on. Don't know 100% yet. I think it's just another input that you can use. Either way, it also has this, which we will definitely be using with the wideband, and this I believe is for the coil. So the coil's on its way also. So the wideband, I know for sure the wideband right here uses the ECU. Hold on. Okay, so now that I got everything laid out, here's the Fueltech 450, the wiring harness for the Grom. So this goes from the Fueltech. This looks like it's another input and or output. I don't exactly remember what. We have, looks like the connector for the coil, because I think this is required. And this will plug into the bike. This will plug into this. The wideband is going to run off of this wire, because this is the CAN bus wire. So they're all connected. Talks over CAN bus, which is best. That way you don't get any interference. It's always correct. Always, you can't go wrong by running the wideband over CAN bus. But anyway, I got the software up. I got the bass tune in. So what we're gonna do, we'll plug it in. Okay, looks like it showed up. This, we'll go ahead and pull this off. Okay, so now go over here to map. Here's the base map. What I want to do is, because I know what I want, so we're gonna go rev limiter. I want the rev limiter at, we're gonna say 13, but I don't think I'm gonna take it up to 13,000. Oh, I know why. Okay, you can't go any higher than what the engine settings are, so we have to go to engine setup, and this needs to be set to, we'll say 15. I don't think I'll ever go that high. And then we'll go back up to the RPM limit. Rev limiter. The rev limiter will be, yep, it's going to be 13. So we're all set here. That looks good. We're going to name this Grom 170, because that's what I'm going to actually make the bike. Right to ECU. I'll put it right there. Played around this 1 or 2 times. You'll see the thing gets rebooted. Go back up. And here we are. As you can see now, it's showing 15 way over here, but my rev limit is 13, so you can't go past that. So we should be good. This all looks good. I believe we're set. Yeah, not too shabby. I'll get everything set up. Looks like the programming's done. Everything looks good, so we'll go look at the bike here in a second. I can't do everything right now. I don't think it's gonna run because it says it needs a coil, and it says, I mean, I want to run the wideband on it, but regardless, this is where we're at right now. This has been flashed. Whew. This. Alright guys, so basically Amazon, right? I had to order a couple of these connectors. This is what's going to actually go in the coil. And also I ordered a DIY set of spark plug maker. So this end fits on here so that I can do the custom job on the spark plugs. I don't want to go I don't want to go too long, so this gives me a great idea to just like this end actually will even fit over this, so, and it clips in, ain't going loose. My plan is to cut this to where I need it, and then this along with the Grom stock one I believe can twist on. Either way, we'll find out in a little bit. The next thing I did was kind of did it off just to make sure how this was going to work. So to give you guys an idea, we have A right here. This is signal. E, other total upload end, is actual 12 volt constant. It can be switched, it can be whatever, but when you turn the bike on, this needs to always be 12 volt. Next is your, what is it, B and D, which is these two right here. Give you guys an idea. So we have the red and the white, which are your signal 12 volt. This is a ground, and this is a signal ground. So both of these need to go back to the battery ground. Okay, pretty cool, easy. Next, this green one. This green one needs to go. I gotta put a connector on it because this needs to go to the head. It's got to be close to where, the closer to the spark plug I'm assuming is the better, but this is going to ground the head off so that when the coil fires, it fires basically perfect when it's close to the spark plug. So I went ahead and have, these are spade connectors. So that's what these are done with, spade connectors. I have butt connectors. It's all these. They're all been done. The next thing I need is, I have heat shrink. Big variety heat shrink. I do a lot of electric. So here's what it is: the Fueltech 450, the actual wiring harness. Here's the coil with the connectors. This is just a rough run, so I didn't go too far. Hook the wideband up. So she's running. Connected to the ECU, of course, and everything looks good. Keep everything away from the exhaust, just to make sure we'll be fine. And we're gonna try it out, right?